Hey guys, today I have the Boxycharm September base boxes. I have two variations for you guys today. I also have a little try on. The try-ons are probably going to be little videos here to the side. And let's go ahead and jump in. These are sent for a PR purpose. I do have a affiliate link down below. And I do later on in the month show my not PR because I am subscribed myself to Boxycharm. And we're going to go ahead and start off with this little guy right here. One's a little bit bigger than the other, and this box is the variation 01. And the first thing in here is the the Blink Glow Getter face palette. It has 4 smooth matte blushes and 4 luminous highlights. You guys will see me actually trying this on. It's actually the blush that I have on right now. This is $50, and holy moly, I was super impressed by the pigmentation of this. You can actually see in the video that I kind of went a little bit overboard. Look at how beautiful. It has a very neutral looking blush, a coral, another neutral, and a light pink one. And then these highlights are stunning as well. So let me see if I can do a close-up shot for you guys so you guys can see how gorgeous these shades are. And this palette is super pigmented. The color payoff is beautiful on the skin, and I'm just so excited to have it in my collection now. And it does have a really nice mirror as well, so this is perfect for traveling or just like to have in your collection because of the great variation of highlights and blushes as well. Just gorgeous. Not only that the names are like accomplished, resilient, ambitious, confident, brilliant. So you're like, let me put a little bit of brilliant on today. I just thought that was super cute. And like I said, this is $50, so a little on the pricey side, but really nice quality. Next thing in here is the Baby Blues set. This is $58. It's by Elena Badro. It's a synthetic makeup brushes. I've never tried this, so I've never heard of this brand either. And we're gonna go ahead and just open this up. And it comes in a little baggie like this. It feels like almost like faux leather. And let's look at the brushes. Ooh, they're pretty. I like these blue handles. It's like a metallic blue handle. And ooh, the hair is like synthetic, but it's white and it just feels super nice and soft. I am definitely going to try these out. So this one is kind of a eyeliner brow brush. You have a nice contour brush, and then this is a great little crease brush. And this set is $58. It says you can contour, blend, and define. The next thing in here is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. This is worth $46. Dr. Brandt has just amazing skincare, and I'm pretty sure that this will be just as great as his other skincare, or her. I don't know, is Dr. Brandt a guy or a girl? I don't know, but this is what it looks like right here. And it says that it has a shield boosting antioxidant, age defense, anti-stress ingredients. And yeah, so I've heard really great things, and the few things that I've tried from Dr. Brandt have actually really been great. And let's take the bubble wrap out. Next thing in here is by the brand Saint Luxe, and this is a brow gel. This is $22, and it says that it makes your brows look fuller and gives them a perfect shape. So let's see. So it's just clear, and it has a small little spoolie. And I will definitely test this out because not all brow gels are created equal. Some of them leave, like when they dry, they leave like little flakes in your eyebrows, or sometimes like if, I don't know, if you have to do something to your eyebrows afterwards, they start flaking. And yeah, I'm not about that. So I really like when there's a longevity to it and it stays really nicely and it doesn't flake. And yeah, we'll be trying this, and that is $22. Then the last thing in here is the insert name here. This is the Quick Slick a hair essence. This is $22 and it is supposed to be a little brush for your flyaways. So I will definitely try this out, especially because you guys know, like, this is a wig, but right here in the front of my hair, sometimes my little hair pops out through here. I accidentally, when I was doing like my wig cutting, I cut my own hair, and it takes a lot for it to hold back. So this is literally just like kind of like a brow mascara, but for your hair. So it's basically to take away those flyaways. So let's see. Oh, so that's what the brush looks like. So you're basically, let's try it on my wig a little bit. So you're basically supposed to like bring down all the flyaways. Obviously this isn't like regular hair, so this wig, it probably won't, I won't be able to see anything, but I would definitely try this on my own hair because I always get like those little frizzies in the back, and especially this little hair that I cut away in the front, and that way I can definitely test this out and see if it holds, or how you know, if it leaves any kind of residue or anything like that. So it just says that you can have sleek hair anywhere. You can throw it in your bag for easy touch-ups and no flakes ever. And that is $22. So that bag is really, really nice. I feel like it has a little bit of everything in there, from the hair care to the palette for the face. And now we're gonna jump into the second box. So the second box, the variation is number 38. The first thing in here is the Glam Glow Youth Mud. This is a glow stimulating exfoliating treatment mask. It is supposed to help with fine lines, soften your skin, and is supposed to give you a glowy, youthful look to your skin. So this is $60. Glam Glow stuff is amazing. It is very pricey. You can definitely find a lot of their stuff at TJ Maxx a lot of times, which is where I usually try to look for their stuff and get it at a great price. But their stuff is really, really amazing. I will try to show you guys on my Instagram when I use it and let you guys know my thoughts on it. Next thing in here is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. This is $20. I freaking love this thing. It is a velvet satin finish, and it is so comfortable on the lips. It's so beautiful, and this color is gorgeous. It's called Day Slayer, and as you can see on the side, this is actually what I'm applying on the lips. It's very comfortable, just very beautiful. I love this finish of the Demi Matte. It's not too matte where it's too like sucking the life out of your lips and just too dry. Just very, very beautiful formula. Just I hadn't tried this and am really, really impressed. Next thing in here is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. This is $32, and it is supposed to have hydrating, hyaluronic acid, and has a whole bunch of vitamins and marula oil as well. I will definitely test this out and see how I like it. I wasn't able to test out everything because I am literally recording all my unboxings in one sitting, and my son's asleep in the next room. And those who really follow my channel or follow me on social media, you know that I work full-time and I do YouTube for fun on the side or as a part-time job. So it doesn't have any smell or anything, and it does look super hydrating. It just like really seeps into the skin. The next thing in here is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics. You guys are going to see here to the side. This was another thing that I tried on. I used it as a base for underneath this eyeshadow look that you guys see here. It's almost like the transition color in my eyeshadow look. So this is called the Pump Your Bass, and it has two multi-stick makeup sticks, and basically you can use them on your eyelid, bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. It says you can add a pop of color or use as a primer. So basically I use this shade right here, the one that has the I don't know, it's like a copper shade. Oh, it's called Jazz. I use Jazz as my base for this look, and that's what it looks like. I wish it looked that super pigmented on the lid, but it's more subdued once you blend it out on the lid. And it did act as a really nice primer for this look. And then Hip Hop is a like matte color. I would literally use this in the waterline. It would just really open up the eyes. Let me see if I can. Okay, hopefully you guys can tell. Look how much that just opens up your waterline. If you use like a matte cream shade like this in your waterline, it just really opens up your eyes. So really nice quality, and these are $20 for 2 in the box. The last thing in here is the same as in the first box. It's the Quick Slick from the insert name here, and as you guys saw, this is kind of like a mascara for your hair, and it's $22, and it's to tame flyaways in your hair. So then I have an extra little one there, so hopefully I will love that. And that is it for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought. Do you guys like the style of video where I have it to the side? It kind of shortens the video a lot time wise. Or if you guys like my old school style where I like do the video and then show you guys the try on. I'd love to hear from you down below what your input is on that, because if not, I could keep doing it this way and have the videos be a little bit more shorter. But I feel like both of the boxes are really good, version number 1 and 38. Let me know which one was your favorite, if the first one with the blink with the Dr. Brandt, or the second one that has the Glam Glow and then like the Huda Beauty. I feel like both of them have like good variation of makeup and skincare. I like when boxes have like a little bit of everything, because I feel like content. Like I have a little bit of makeup, I have a little bit of skincare, you know, like a little something. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you guys subscribe down below. Hit that little red button. You can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.